Good night. In this video, we will talk about El Cerro del Monserrate and my personal presentation. Let's start with my personal presentation. My name is Carol Martinez. I am 29 years old. I was born in Bogota and I live in San Cristobal Sur with my 9 years old son and my husband. I like study business administration in UNAT and I work in Fiduciaria Corfi Colombiana as a human resources analyst. I have been with the company for 3 years. I like to walk and play basketball and share with my family. I am loving, helpful, and I like to help people who need it. El Cerro del Monserrate. El Cerro del Monserrate is the best known of the eastern hills of Bogota. Next to Guadalupe is one of the titular hills of the city. Monserrate has an altitude of 3,152 meters above sea level and is located on the eastern mountain range. The hills of Bogota of metamorphosis original are more than 10,000 years old. In what refers to the geological aspect, until the mid-17th century, it was known as Las Nieves Hill. The Basilica of the Lord of Monserrate has been a place of religious pilgrimage since the colonial era and is located in a natural, religious, gastronomy and locative point of the city. Thank you very much. Bye.